Hello, I'm Jayden and we're here today with the Klou KXG10 multi-purpose 5-finger grapple. Now this unit is brilliant for a range of tasks, including moving brash around site and timber and loading chippers. You can use it for pulling out small stumps and roots, perfect for clearing fence lines and winding up old fencing wire. And you can also use it for moving industrial waste and lumps of concrete on site clearances. Now this grab is designed to work all day, every day under the toughest conditions. Knowing that operators do like to push the boundaries a little bit sometimes, we've built it like a tank. Now, first thing you'll notice is the finger tines are 25mm Hardox 450. That's 1 inch thick, even on our smallest model, and they're heavily gusseted into the upper frame of the grab to maximize their resistance to bending loads, both outwards and sideways. All of the rest of the steel plate is strength 700 high tensile steel. It's twice as strong as a lot of other structural steels. And we've spec'd a heavily oversized ram with a locking check valve to maximize your gripping and crushing power on big timber and brash. It also means with that locking check valve, once that ram's shut, it stays shut until the operator wants it to open, even if a hose bursts. We've got mechanical end stops all round, so when you're forcing this grab down into a load or down into the ground, you're not going to push it too far open. We've got heavily oversized pins clamped from both ends and double guide bars, so when you're ripping out or pulling a large item, you're not going to be twisting the grab. And finally, you'll notice you can't see the hoses. They're routed internally from the rotator to the grab, so you're not going to be busting them on site and causing expensive downtime. On the topic of rotation, we can supply a range of different rotators for larger and smaller excavators and different applications. Also, we can supply the correct hitch to suit your mini excavator or mini skid steer or mini loader, as the case may be. We can supply the correct hydraulic hoses and connectors to suit your machine. Now this grab in its standard configuration does require 2 double-acting hydraulic supplies, but if you don't have that, we can provide it with a solenoid valve kit that will allow it to both grab and rotate off 1 hydraulic supply together with a 12-volt electrical supply. So we can provide the full package ready to go, backed by a 3-year warranty that, like all the rest of our equipment, is truly brutally effective. Till next time, goodbye.